Ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu waseGoli ejongene nemicimbi yendlela nezothutho uCeba Kenny Kunene libongoza uluntu ukuba luyeke ukonakalisa iziseko ngexesha loqhankqalazo. uKunene wenze esi sicelo ngexesha lokutyelela izikhululo zebhasi yeRea Vaya ezilungiswayo eBosmont naseNorth Gezicht ngaphambili namhlanje. Uthi izikhululo ziyahlaziywa emva kokuba zonakaliswe ngenjongo ngabahlali, nto leyo ebuyisela emva urhulumente kunikezelo lwenkonzo.
Ilungu lekomiti lemeya kusifunda iGoli elibhekelele ezokuthutha, uKenny Kunene, usenxuse izakhamizi ukuthi-ke uma kunezikhalazo ezinazo zilandele imigudu efanele ukuze ngeke kugcine sekucekeleka phansi ingqalasizinda njengoba-ke kwenzeke eziteshini zamabhasi zeRea Vaya uKunene akade ehambele kuzona namuhla.
My appeal to the community of Soweto in general is that when you have protests, when you are displaying your anger, whether it's service delivery matters or whether it's GBV or whether it's police brutality, do not destroy your infrastructure. Do not vandalize your infrastructure because you are going to need it the following day. I came in and I said, let us give our communities a service, a second chance. And yes, we got granting now, so we are restoring this infrastructure.
uKunene uveza ukubaluleka-ke kokulungiswa kweziteshi zamabhasi ezisemalokishini ukuze kuzosizakala umphakathi.
We are restoring the infrastructure of Johannesburg for the benefit of the people of Johannesburg. As I committed, we must increase the buses of BRT. Feeder buses must come back. I'm very clear on that. It is the law, it is the system of BRT, and that's why we are restoring these BRT stations. So when the buses start increasing to service the residents of Johannesburg, the stations must be ready to operate. We are also including Wi-Fi the same way we did with 1CA. We are putting backup power in these stations so that when there's no electricity from City Power or Eskom, the stations are still operating and people can do tap in, tap out. We are also, with this one and others, introducing universal access, where people with disabilities can easily access the stations, and those who are blind, we are also making sure that they can easily access the stations.
Lezi teshi zombili sezihlangene zidleke imali elinganiselwa kuma-26 ezigidi zamarandi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, kube komqondisi Miyeni ngiseNorth Gezicht.